Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys want to see how I got this look using silicone compound, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, let's get started with this video. So I'm going to be using this silicone modeling compound, okay? So it has a part A and a part B, okay? Now, I'm going to be mixing the two together 1-to-1 ratio by eye, okay? A little note here, I will be using alcohol to help me mold the silicone, okay? So one more thing that you might want to take note of, this stuff dries super quickly, so whether it is you're doing a cut or a scar or a blister, whatever it is that you're doing, you need to work fast because it will set pretty quickly. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. All right guys, so I'm gonna start with the part A, okay? And remember, it's, you gotta work quickly and it's 1-to-1 ratio, okay? So I'm probably getting about this much, okay? I'm gonna do that, and you gotta quickly close up that jar again. And moving on with part B, okay? 1-to-1 ratio, remember that, okay? So, closing that jar up again, and I'm gonna start with the mixing. Already started to apply, now I'm using a little bit of alcohol to blend that in, okay? Just like so, okay? So blending the edges, okay? And smoothing it out just like so, okay? So I have a little story for you guys. On Saturday, I was supposed to upload, but thanks to my husband, I was gonna do a slit on him, on his throat, but we couldn't do it because he just kept on laughing and making me laugh. And then, alright guys, so my silicone has completely set, okay? So I'm gonna add some color and depth to it, okay? So I'm gonna be using my Ben Nye rainbow wheel, this one right here, and I'm gonna be using some red, okay? And I'm gonna be applying that in here. Alright, just like so. Okay, and I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. Okay, just like that. Okay, so I'm going back and forth with this palette and I'm using red and black, okay? Going back and forth with it, using both and just stippling it on, okay? Just like so. Okay, we want to add some more color to this cut. Okay, and we're gonna do the same thing with the other side. Okay, just like so. Alright. Moving on, I'm gonna grab this brush here and I'm gonna add the same red and the same black, okay? And I'm gonna remove this stuff away. Okay, and I'm just gonna spray the area. To give it more texture. You see what it's doing? Just like that. Okay, grabbing a little bit more. If you guys are gonna try to do this, I suggest you guys wear some old t-shirt. Okay, make sure you close your eyes, guys. Okay, and I'm gonna go back in with the first brush that I started with, the first color, and I'm gonna brighten up this red here a bit. Okay, just like that. Okay, all right guys, moving on, I'm gonna be applying some of the blood that I made the other day, which is here, and I will be putting up a video as well. Okay, so I'm gonna use the same brush I used, and I'm gonna be applying it. Okay. Alright guys, so I took some of the same blood and I'm doing this, okay? Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you guys can get notified every time I upload a new video. My uploads are Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays at 9 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Mwah.